The 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to set the benchmark for style, refinement, and driving enjoyment in the compact SUV segment. Building on its reputation for delivering a premium feel at a reasonable price, the latest model combines sleek design, a well-crafted interior, and updated technology that makes it a strong contender in a competitive market. From the outside, the 2025 CX-5 showcases Mazda's signature Kodo design philosophy, which emphasizes elegance through simplicity. The body features sculpted lines that flow gracefully from front to rear, giving the SUV a dynamic yet sophisticated look. The updated front grille, sleek LED headlights, and fresh alloy wheel designs add to its bold presence. While the overall shape hasn't changed dramatically, subtle refinements like a slightly wider stance and reworked bumpers provide a more assertive look on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 CX-5 offers a pair of reliable and responsive powertrains. The base model comes equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 187 horsepower, while higher trims can be upgraded to a turbocharged version of the same engine, pushing out up to 256 horsepower with premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. Mazda's i-Active all-wheel drive system is now standard across all trims, enhancing performance and safety in various driving conditions. Fuel efficiency remains strong, with estimates around 24 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway for the non-turbo models. Inside, the 2025 CX-5 maintains its upscale, driver-focused cabin, rivaling even some entry-level luxury SUVs. The layout is clean and modern, with high-quality materials used throughout. Soft touch surfaces, real aluminum trim, and optional Nappa leather upholstery create an inviting environment. The seats are supportive and comfortable, with enough space in both rows for adult passengers. Rear seat legroom is competitive, and the cargo area is practical, offering about 30 cubic feet behind the second row and up to 59 cubic feet with the seats folded flat. Technology in the CX-5 has been upgraded for 2025, including a larger 12.3-inch infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available head-up display. Mazda has improved the user interface to make it more intuitive, though it still primarily relies on a rotary controller rather than a touchscreen. The sound system has also been refined, especially in higher trims that feature a 10-speaker Bose setup for an immersive audio experience. Safety remains a top priority, with the 2025 RAV4 CX-5 coming standard with the i-Active Sense suite of driver assistance features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert. In crash tests, previous CX-5 models have consistently earned high marks, and this trend is expected to continue with the 2025 RAV4 version. In terms of pricing, the CX-5 remains competitively positioned, starting around $30,000 and reaching up to the low $40,000s for